West tomorrow with my family. I'm so excited. I could use some warm weather. It's actually warm today here, but it's gonna be cold this weekend, and I'm not gonna be here for it. So anyways, I just packed my large bag that I'm gonna be checking. I wanted to share some tips with you. This might be like so boring and nothing new, but I figured why not share it just in case. Everybody has like a little tip and trick, I think, like in terms of how they pack. So here are some of mine. So I am using my Away, I guess this is like the medium size bag, because I'm gonna be checking a bag. I really like this bag. It's pretty lightweight and it holds a lot. I really prefer a hard shell luggage to soft. If you don't have one, I highly recommend it. So on this side is where I put all of my clothes. In terms of clothes, I did do the rolling technique for some of my items. I think that the rolling does save you some space and you're able to fit more, but to me, the biggest benefit is that your clothes don't seem to be as wrinkled when you arrive to your destination, which is great. That just reminds me I need to pack my steamer. I have a really cute little steamer that I bring with me everywhere that my mom ordered on QVC. I'll show it to you in a sec. So I rolled all my items and I brought a lot of like silk pieces. I'll show you too. Because silk stuff is just like super cute when you're going somewhere tropical. It's a way to still like look elevated, but you're still like easy and breezy, and it's lightweight, and so you won't be too hot, and it's just easy to throw on and go. So I have that, and then I have a few dress options for the wedding. Over here I just stacked like some cute little tops to mix and match with things. They're all mostly white, as you can tell. I think whites are the way to go when you're going on vacation in the summer. It's just easy. And then I have one like kind of chunky knit cover up. It's like a shirt dress, but I like to use it as a cover up. And then on this side, I have some of my thicker dresses that I kind of just folded because they were too large to roll. It wouldn't have made sense to roll them. And then I'm bringing, I think I'm just gonna bring one pair of shorts. I was gonna bring a tight and then like a loose denim short, but I think I'm gonna save the room and I'm gonna bring just the little like short shorts and a pair of jeans. I found that no matter where I go, I always want a pair of jeans. Like even if it's somewhere where it's like gonna be 90 degrees, at some point during the trip, I wanna put on my favorite pair of jeans. So probably gonna pack the ones that I'm wearing. I also packed some linen pieces. Of course, linen is great for like a tropical destination. So this luggage has this really cool like straps to kind of strap everything in. So when you open your luggage, say you open it on the wrong side, like everything doesn't fly out. And then the other side zips, so I use this side for more of like my smaller pieces to kind of like contain everything. So I'm packing 2 hats. I'm packing a black one and a natural one. So I sometimes will wear my hats on the plane like a crazy person, but I feel like I have enough room since I'm probably gonna carry on a bag and check a bag. So I put my hats in my luggage upside down, and then I put things in them and then around them to kind of like make sure that they hold their shape throughout the trip. For my sunglasses, I put them all in this little bag. I'm bringing quite a few pairs. These are my favorite Warby Parker and Off-White collab. They're like really cute and rectangular. My Gucci cat eye. These big Diff eyewear sunglasses that I love, and my Celine's, of course, that I wear all the time. So I put those into a little bag that I think I might want to use like sometimes for going out. It's my little vintage Dior saddle bag. I actually have snuck one more pair in. And then I put all my jewelry in this padded bag that I got from Anthropologie. Because it's padded, I think it's great for jewelry, so it keeps them kind of like safe, but I just throw everything in there. My bathing suits are over here, as well as like my underwear and bras, and then my toiletries. So I put everything that's like kind of breakable, like my serums, into this Glossier bag. This is what you get when you order from Glossier. So in here I have a Kiehl's shampoo. I always like to kind of have a nicer shampoo than the hotel option. this Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. It's just a really easy cleanser and the size is great for travel. It's a 2-ounce bottle. Then I have my travel size of Drybar's Triple Sec. For the hair, it's just like really good for an instant refresh. And then my nighttime oil, which is the Caudalie Detox Oil. And then during the day, I'm just gonna use the CE Ferulic Vitamin C, antioxidants, and all that good stuff from SkinCeuticals, as well as the HA Intensifier for just like plumpness and hydration and just overall looking better. And then also back to hair, I'm bringing my Ouai hair oil and then the Ouai wave spray. I've never tried the wave spray. I love the oil. It just keeps my hair like tamed and not frizzy, which will be great since we're gonna be in Florida. Hi Gracie. Gracie's so funny. We call her the TSA because she inspects all baggage. So I'm gonna try the wave spray while I'm there, which would be cool. And then I put in here my Marc Jacobs Dew Drops. These are my favorite highlighter drops, but since they're in a glass bottle, I put them in here. Then I have this really awesome pouch. It's by Le Sport Sac, and I don't know, it's such a durable bag, and I like that it's thin and flimsy, and you can kind of just stuff whatever you can in here. So in here is like, I always bring like a stack of face masks, like new ones I want to try. Eye masks, like since we're going to a wedding, I like to do a mask before the wedding, and I brought extras so that like the other girls can use them, like my mom and my sister. And like a hair mask. On vacation, I feel like I have that extra time to really pamper myself, so I try to bring a few things like that. I have a hairbrush, the Ouai finishing cream, which I really like for like a pieciness to your curls. Then the Drunk Elephant Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. This is kind of just like a great tanning and then like also protectant for your skin, for your face. And then I'm bringing instead of foundation, I have a spray tan right now, so I'm bringing all of Warrior products in terms of like foundation. So I'm bringing their CC cream in the color Claire, and then they have a new darker one. And so I'm gonna mix those two depending on how tan I get. I really like these products because they just kind of adapt to whatever your skin tone is. I'm wearing it right now, so you don't have to worry like, right now my foundations are just too pale for the color of my skin, so these work really well. And then I'm bringing their glow cream, which I kind of use as like a primer. And these have SPF in them, which will also be good for being in the sun. And then I have like a bronzing stick for Milk Makeup, my toothbrush, a few other things, a day cream and a night cream, hair ties, Q-tips, bobby pins, and all that good stuff in here. And then, yeah, and then in terms of like what to pack, I tried to make sure that like I wasn't bringing a million pairs of shoes. And so I tried to condense it down to just neutrals that went with everything. So I have a brown leather sandal. These are from Zara. Then I have these from Mango, which I like because they're pretty much nude, so you can't even see them. They go with everything. My favorite white flats. They're vintage. And then I'm bringing one pair of dressy heels. And I always put my shoes in like sole to sole, so that way they don't damage your shoes. And then my T3 curling iron will go in here as well. And then I think that's about it for here. I'm gonna carry on my makeup because what if my bag gets lost? That's always my fear. So I'm really proud of myself. I condensed my makeup to this really small bag. This is a Lila B makeup bag that came with some products that they sent me. I like that it's clear so I can see all my stuff that's in here. So all my makeup fits in here now. I used to have like a much larger bag and it's just so unnecessary. So I'm gonna carry this on. I'm gonna carry on this purse since I don't wanna smush it in my bag. And I'm gonna carry on one of my dress options for the wedding in case, God forbid, my bag gets stolen. Gracie's like chewing on a leaf. So here's what I'm carrying on, my makeup bag. And then this little Target Who What Wear basket bag that will be kind of like my everyday bag. And then here's my luggage. It's by Ouai. So on this side, I have all my clothes strapped in. I'm gonna take one thing out to carry onto the plane, but I have one pair of denim shorts. This side is cover-ups and like bigger dresses, like maxi dresses that were just like too chunky to roll. And then everything else is rolled. And then here's a little stack of like just white plain tops and a white tee. to bring. And as I said, I packed a lot of like sulky pieces because I think they're just really cute for summer. Just really simple and easy and kind of sexy. And then on this side, all my sunglasses are in here. These are the shoes I'm packing, my curling iron, my toiletries into 2 bags, the breakables, and then the rest of the stuff. My jewelry is all here in this like padded bag. And then my 2 hats, I'm bringing a black and a neutral. And I have suits inside them and then all underneath them, around them to kind of like keep the hats in good shape. I have a couple other bags here that I stuffed a few little like things in, and that's about it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you soon.